Welcome to my channel Learn-O-Eat. In this video, we will going to discuss about the MCQs related to the MCAT biology. And this is the session number 6 in which we will going to discuss the chapter number 6 from the first year biology, that is the kingdom prokaryotic, or also called as the kingdom Monera. So in this video we will going to discuss about the MCQs related to this chapter, that is the kingdom prokaryotic, mostly related to the MCQ related with the bacterial life. In the previous session, in this session number 5, we have discussed the MCQs on the variety of life. That was the chapter related to the virus. So, in the preceding chapters of the biology, we will discuss each and every chapter with the dozens of MCQs that are combined from the different past papers, from the important notes, and also from your textbook of biology. So, starting from the first MCQ of the kingdom prokaryotic. They are asking the length of the bacterial cell ranges from option number A says 0.2 to 2 micron to option number B says 2 to 10 micron, option number C 0.2 micron to 10 micron, option number D 10 micron to 20 micron. So the answer for this question is B, that is 2 micron to 10 micron. The bacterial cell is about 2 micron to 10 micron in the length. The second question says flagella of the bacterium help in. They are asking the function of the flagella that is present in the bacteria. A. Locomotion, B. Pathogenicity, and C. Conjugation. Conjugation is a type of reproduction. Pathogenicity is for attacking any other organism. So the remaining option, that is the locomotion, is performed by the flagellum. So the answer for this question is option number A, that is locomotion. Question number 3 says, the cell wall of the bacterial cell, in addition to sugar, chitin, and also contain the components of the bacterial cell wall. They are asking, they have said two components, that is the sugar and chitin, and in the MCQ the third component is missing, and they are asking which component is this. Either it is lipid, amino acid, cellulose, or polysaccharides. So if you have learned the structure of the bacterial cell wall, you will get to know about the structure that are present with the sugar and chitin. So the structure that is present is amino acid. The amino acid plus sugar and chitin form the bacterial cell wall. So the answer for this question is option number B. Question number 4 says, as the mitochondria is absent in the bacterial cell, the function of respiration is performed by which organism? Yeah, you can say which organelle of the bacteria perform the function of respiration, as the bacteria does not contain the mitochondria. So the answer for this question is option for this questions include mitochondria like organism, B. mesosomes, and C. cell membrane. So the mesosome is the only exceptional organelle of the bacterial cell that perform the function of replication, perform the function of respiration, and several other important functions. So the answer for this question is B, that is mesosome. The question number 5 says, cocci are A. flagellated, B. non-flagellated, C. extra-flagellated, or D. partially flagellated. You know the cocci are a type of bacteria because bacteria occur in different shapes and forms. So it is a shape of a bacteria that is called as a cocci, and they are asking either it is flagellated, non-flagellated, partially flagellated, or extra-flagellated. So the answer for this question is non-flagellated. You have to know that the cocci bacteria are non-flagellated. You have to learn each and every bacteria, that it is flagellated or it is not flagellated. You have to learn about the structure, organelles present in the bacterial cell, and also the components of the bacterial cell wall. Up till now, we have identified what are important things to remember in this chapter. Now, moving onwards to the next MCQ, that is MCQ number 6. In this MCQs, they are asking the bacteria that require low concentration of oxygen for its growth is called as. Which bacteria in low concentration of oxygen can grow? A. obligate anaerobes, B. facultative anaerobes, and C. microaerophilic. So if you know the general term for the oxygen consumption is the aerobe or anaerobe. The anaerobe is the bacteria that acquire no oxygen, or they can reproduce in absence of oxygen. So this option is ultimately cancelled. The second option is the correct option, that is the facultative aerobes require the low concentration of the oxygen for their growth. Why? Because they are facilitated with other substances for their growth. So that's why they are facilitated low oxygen and they can grow. The third option is a microaeroflake that is not included in our chapter. So the option number B is correct. Now coming to the next question, that is in the log phase of bacterial growth. The log phase, you should know that there are 4 stages of the bacterial reproduction. So the log phase, they are asking what happens in the log phase. Either A, bacteria prepare themselves for division, B, bacteria death occur, C, bacteria grow and multiply rapidly, and D, grow and multiply slowly. So in the log phase, you have to remember that what happens, it is the growth of and the multiplication occur rapidly. So the option number C, that is the bacteria grow and multiply rapidly, is the phenomena for the log phase of the bacterial cell growth. Now we are going to discuss some of the other important questions that are remaining. So guys, here we have the other questions of the chapter number 6, Biology of MCAT MCQs, that is the Kingdom Prokaryotic. Moving onwards from the question number 8, we have left. They are asking extremely thin appendages help during the conjugation, which is called as the appendages of the bacteria that help in the conjugation. So the options are A, flagella, B, pili, C, cilia, and D is the tentacles. So if you have read the chapter, this is an important question from the textbook, that is the option number B, that is a pili is an appendage that help in the conjugation, that is the reproduction of the bacteria. Now the option number B says, next question says photosynthesis. Photosynthesis of the bacteria liberate. You can say the photosynthetic bacteria are the specialized bacteria which liberate what? They are asking the element name. Option number A says carbon dioxide, option number B says sulfur, option number C says oxygen, and option number D says hydrogen sulfide. So the photosynthetic bacteria liberate the sulfur, that is option number B. You have to remember this point. The question number 10 says, 2 means of asexual reproduction in the bacteria are. The conjugation is a mean of sexual reproduction in the bacteria, while asexual reproduction can occur in the bacteria by which means? Option number A, binary fission or multiple fission. Option number B, budding and fission. Option number C, binary fission and endospore formation. And option number D, none of above. So remember that the asexual reproduction occurs by 2 means, either binary fission or by endospore formation. So the option number C for this question is correct. Now coming to the question number 11, they are asking about the antibiotics. So you should also remember about the name of antibiotic and about the role of antibiotics in this chapter. Question says broad spectrum antibiotic is effective against. Option number A, large concentration of same bacterial species. Option number B, wide range of bacteria, and option number C says both of these. They are asking the role of this broad spectrum antibiotic against which type of bacteria. Either it can be of same species bacteria, either it can be effective to a wide range of bacteria, or both of these. So the broad spectrum antibiotic, as the name suggests, broad spectrum, it can affect a wide range of bacteria. So the option number C is correct, that is a wide range of bacteria are affected by the broad spectrum antibiotics. Now coming to the question number 12, that is related to the cyanobacterium. That is an important MCQ to be put up from this chapter. So the question says in cyanobacterium the cell wall is A, single layer, B, double layer, C, absent, and D, modified. Which type of cell wall is present in the cyanobacterium? So if you have read the chapter, you will get to know that the cyanobacterium is a specialized type of bacteria that has the double cell wall. The cell wall is double layered. That's option number B is correct for the question number 12. Now the question number 13 says bacterial membrane differ from the eukaryotic membrane in lacking which type of sterol? They are just asking that what is the difference between the cell wall of the cell membrane of the bacteria and eukaryotic cell membrane. Which type of sterol is not present in the bacterial cell membrane? Option number A, cholesterol. Option number B, lactic acid. Option number C, acetic acid. And option number D is alcohol. So we know that the cholesterol is a major component of our cell membrane, and it is going to form attached with the phospholipid, and there is a formation of cell membrane that we have all discussed in the chapter number 2 MCQs of the cell membrane and the cell of the human. Now, so bacterial cell membrane does not contain the cholesterol. It contains the acid or either alcohols. So the option number A is correct for this question. That is, a cholesterol is not a component of the bacterial cell membrane. Now coming to the last question, but not the least one. This question is again about the cyanobacterium, because the cyanobacterium is an important topic. That's why it's coming again and again, and you should remember that this topic should be learned by heart. They are asking cyanobacterium form the symbiotic association with A, protozoa, B, fungi, C, nitrogen fixing species, and D, all of them. So the symbiotic association of the cyanobacterium is with the fungi. That is option number B is correct. So this was all about the MCQs, and I have prepared it from important notes and MCQs from the book that I have told you, and they are the combination of about 15 MCQs. I think it will help you guys. So thank you for watching, and keep subscribing, keep following, and keep sharing. Thank you for watching.